To format cells in Excel, start by selecting the cell or cells you want to format. Click on a single cell, or click and drag to select a range. The selected cells will be highlighted with a border or shaded background. Press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to open the Format Cells dialog box. At the top of the dialog box, you'll see 6 tabs: Number, Alignment, Font, Border, Patterns or Fill, and Protection. Click on the tab you need for the type of formatting you want to apply. You can also press Ctrl+ Page Up or Ctrl+ Page Down to jump between tabs. Start with the Number tab. On the left side, you'll see a category list. Click on Number if you want to format a number, or choose another category like Currency, Date, Time, or Percentage. Excel will automatically show you an example of what your output will look like in the sample box. If you've selected Number, you can specify how many decimal places you want to show. The Alignment tab gives you options for how your values are aligned, both vertically and horizontally. There are drop-down menus for each, plus text control checkboxes where you can wrap text, merge cells, or change the text orientation. A Degrees field lets you rotate text 90 degrees in either direction. The Font tab is where you select your font typeface, style, size, and color. You'll see drop-down menus for font and font style. That's where you pick regular, bold, or italic. Below that are options for size and color. At the bottom are effects checkboxes for strike-through, superscript, and subscript. A preview of the text appears in the preview box as you make your selections. For the Border tab, select the border style from the style list first, then choose a color from the color drop-down. After that, select which sides of the cell get the border using the presets buttons or the individual border buttons. Align with your settings will display in the sample region. Some buttons will be dimmed if you've only selected a single cell, because those settings only apply to ranges. The Fill or Patterns tab is where you set the background color of your cells. Click on a color from the background color palette, and it'll appear in the preview area. You can also choose patterns from the Pattern Style dropdown, or create gradient fill effects. Choose No Color to return to the default. The Protection tab has locked and hidden checkboxes. The locked option is turned on by default. These options only work if you've protected the worksheet. To do that, go to the Review tab and click the Protect Sheet button in the Changes group. Click the OK button in the bottom right corner of the dialog box. The dialog closes and your formatting is applied to the selected cells. One important note: applying a number format only changes how the number is displayed. It doesn't affect the actual cell values used in calculations. You can always see the real value in the formula bar at the top. If you need to remove formatting, select the cells, go to the Home tab, and click Clear, then Clear Formats.